Hey guys, welcome back. I've got a really quick video for you here, and it's just to let you know that Wealthsimple Cash is running a $25 promotion right now. That if you'd like to sign up using my link, there's a link in the description below. You'll get $25 just for signing up. And what Wealthsimple Cash is it's just like a peer-to-peer money sharing app, kind of like Venmo or PayPal.me, where you can just really easily send people money or receive money from your friends, stuff like that. So there just isn't really a good option like Venmo in Canada right now, and Wealthsimple is pushing to become that first platform that everyone's using. And they're hoping that they can get critical mass, if everyone joins up. And so that's why they're paying $25 just to sign up. So if you sign up, you'll get $25 and I'll get $25, and that's just awesome for both of us. And it's really easy. Just click the link in the description below and you just pop in your email address, create your password, and then you're just going to follow through. There's a couple forms you have to fill out, legal forms. And you just make your way through there. You'll be done in about 2 minutes, and then you'll be set up. And once they verify your identity, you'll receive the $25. And for those of you who aren't super familiar with what this is, I'll just go to the website. So here we go. This is the Wealthsimple website for Wealthsimple Cash, and these are some of the other products that they have. So I'm using Wealthsimple Trade in a lot of my videos, but there's also Wealthsimple Tax, Crypto, Cash, Invest, all these different things. Wealthsimple is a pretty reputable brokerage in Canada for investing and financial services. So as I said, you just settle up. It's sharing cash with friends basically, and we can just quickly scroll through here, and just to get a quick overview of what this is. Basically, it's just a simple way to send cash back and forth between friends. You create your own username, so mine's Alpine Dividends as always, and yeah, you can connect to your friends. You can invite your friends too. So once you register, you can invite your friends, like on Facebook or in real life, whatever, and you'll just get $25 for each friend that signs up. So this is an awesome offer that they're running right now, and usually they only run it for $5 invites, and so you might as well just get it now, get the $25, and bring in some friends while you can, and just maybe score a few $100s while we're basically doing nothing. So coming down here, like a lot of Wealthsimple products, we have no fees. It's completely free to use this app. They're just trying to build out their influence in the financial sector. So with that comes no fees, and it is totally secure. We can quickly read here. Wealthsimple is a reputable brand. They have all this insurance for financial stuff and two-factor authentication. And they're basically going to be building in more features like for spending and stuff like that. And basically, like with all Wealthsimple products, is they're just building out their platform, and it's just getting better and better over time. So there's actually, it's not a bad idea just to get into it now and then enjoy the benefits as it keeps getting more and more robust. So anyways, there's a link in the description below, and it will basically guide you to the mobile app, whether you're using Android or Apple, and then just follow the steps, and then you'll receive the $25 into your account. You can't actually transfer it out for a few days because it's a brand new account, but I think it's after 5 days or something you can take it off the platform if you want, but otherwise you can have it in there, and you can start using it if you want. So anyways guys, the link is in the description, so hopefully you check it out, and yeah, that's all. I'll see you in the next one.